Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. Today's song is on Really Shouldn't Drink Around You, and it's on the ukulele, so let's get started. So this is a pretty easy song to play. We're only going to be using 4 chords for the entire song. The only difference is the strum pattern for the verse and the chorus. So let's start off with learning the chords for this song. Alright, so the chords you're going to use is A to an F sharp minor, then a B minor 7, and an E7. So we're just going to be using these 4 chords for the entire song. So I got 2 different strum patterns for the verse that you can play. One is easier than the other, so depending on your level of playing, but to me they're both pretty easy. Alright, so the first one is just going to be a down, up on each of the chords. So here's the example. And the second one is going to be a down, down, up. So those are the 2 best ones I got for you guys. Whichever one works for you easiest, then you guys can choose to play with those ones. But now we're going to head into the chorus. Now the chorus has more strumming just to fill out the chorus. And that strum pattern is going to be a down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. So down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. We're just gonna play it a few more times, and I'll teach you guys something right at the end. Then it goes right back into the verse. Then on the E7, you can add this extra. You'll hear that in the song for the verses. Alright, so that part on the 4th fret, so make the E7, you can use your pinky. And those are up strums. So thanks again guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, check out the other videos you guys might like, and I guess I'll see you guys on the next one.